Namaskar students, let us solve a problem where we have to find the value of variable x if the ratio between Laspers and Pastès index number is 28:27. We are given two commodities A and B and their price and quantities in the year 2014 and 2015. Now, according to Laspers method, the price index formula is summation P1 Q0 over summation P0 Q0 into 100. And Pastès method, the price index is summation P1 Q1 over summation P0 Q1 into 100. So here we have to know the values of P0, Q0, P1, Q1, and then we will find these values and put the formula. Let us construct a table. So P0 Q0, P0 Q0, so it is 10, 5, P0 Q1, 5, 2, P1 Q0, 20, P1 Q0, 5x, P1 Q1 10 and 2x. So let us find the sum also. So sum is summation P0 Q0 is 15, summation P0 Q1 is 7, summation P1 Q0 is 20 plus 5x, summation P1 Q1 is 10 plus 2x. Now we will put these values in these formulas. So this is 1, this is 2, and we are given that the ratio of L is to P is 28:27. So by 1 you have summation P1 Q0. So by 1 we have L equal to 20 plus 5x over 15 into 100 and P Pastès 10 plus 2x over 7 into 100. So now we will use this ratio which is given to us. L over P is 28/27, or you can say 20 plus 5x over 15 into 100, 10 plus 2x over 7 into 100 is equal to 28/27. So this 100 cancels out and this becomes 20 plus 5x over 15 and 7 over 10 plus 2x equal to 28/27. We have used this A over B over C over D is nothing but A over B divided by C over D, and this is A over B into D over C. So we have used this for solving this equation. Now you can cross multiply them. This is 20 plus 5x over 10 plus 2x equal to 28 into 15, 27 into 7. So here you can cancel out 7 ones are 7 fours are 28 and 3 5s are 3 9s are. So this is 20/9. Cross multiply. Now you can solve it easily as you have learned in your junior classes. So we have 45x plus 180 equal to 200 plus 40x. So 45x minus 40x equal to 200 minus 180 So x is equal to 4. So this is how you have to find the value of the variable x.